Hey there, welcome to Art with Mrs. Fields. Today we're going to be focusing on nature art. So you're going to need to ask your grown-up if it's okay to go outside. We're going to look for some materials that we can use to make our art. Once you're outside, you're going to start looking for a variety of materials. You're going to need some big things, some little things, maybe some rocks, maybe some flowers. Look around and see what you can find outside. See how many materials you can find to create with. You can use sticks, rocks, flowers, leaves, whatever you want. Then I want you to come up with your own design. You can just wing it and go build as you go, or you can come up with a plan before you start. Once you have all your materials, lay them out and then decide what you want to make. The possibilities are endless. Here are a few of my creations and some other photos for inspiration.